Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad bin Johar. In this video, I'd like to share the lab 7, which is soccer game with the full soccer game tutorial. So first, make sure to have the six scene and create another three, which is lobby, main and menu, and copy the game based on the latest tutorial and paste it to the new one and rename it to game MP for the multiplayer games. So in the lobby scene, in the main scene, we create the UI that we add your name here and click the button that submit. Click to the button canvas. Make sure on the right click, make sure you have the manager object in here. So in the manager object here, make sure you add the coding player script, which is player data script and IP system. Drag the manager object into the on click and make sure go to the player data and click the submit data string and rename it to the menu. In the menu, create the UI, which is the main menu of this game, and create another button, hit 4 button, kick off, training, ranking and quick, and make sure you have create the manager object and add the scene changer and connect server. So at the canvas, make sure you create 4 button in here, which is kick off, training, ranking and quit. Make sure all of 4 we drag the manager in each of the button on the wrong click, and they have 4 different input, which is connect multiplayer, change scene, ranking, create application in create, and change scene in ranking. So in the lobby scene, create the manager object and drag the another 2 code, which is lobby manager and photo view. Create a UI that have room setting and weight setting in here. Make sure you untick the weight setting here in the beginning, and make sure in the button section, drag your manager object into the wrong click, and the first button will go to the join room button, and in the weighting setting UI in the button, which is drag the manager also and click on the load and go to the load scene. Click to the game MP, remove the coding before tutorial and add the game manager in here and drag the many of the script, which is soccer game script, API system script, spawn player script, and photo view script. And make sure we have delete create the character as the prefab, drag it to the project and delete into the hierarchy. Make sure to position the camera to the suitable place. For example, I'm located the camera into the upper position, so you can see the position of all the field, and you can see the ball in the center of the field. So I think that's my tutorial video for the lab 7. Thank you.